Hi guys, welcome to Gloria's Platter. B and I and my husband in the back. We are all going to do a vlog at Lakewood Center.
Lakewood Center Mall.
Yeah, Lakewood Center Mall.
YouTube?
Yes. You want to subscribe?
Yeah.
Come.
Here's the channel.
You want to be in it?
You want to be in the channel?
Yeah.
Hi.
I just want to shout out Gianni, and I want to shout out Melanie Melendres.
All right.
Thank you.
All the best. Take care.
Shout out Mary too.
Box lunch. I'm not getting lunch from this.
Another.
Awesome.
It's not food. Box lunch is our clothes.
Pants.
Feel something big. We are entering Target. Actually, we want to go to Starbucks. So guys, this crossbody bag is really helpful to me, and I did a video on that. If you go to Gloria's Platter, you can check the unboxing and review video. You would love it. This is very helpful. This is very useful. It has got lots of zippers and look, they put a lot of stuff in there. Go check out my unboxing video. Okay? Thank you. We need to find it. What do they have for spring? Oh, look at these flowers. Are they real? They are, right?
I think so. Ferrero.
Chocolates and flowers. Oh, for Mother's Day. Okay. Now I got it. I think we need to go to the other entrance.
Is it downstairs? Is this first? It's not downstairs, right?
For Starbucks here.
One.
Huh?
One.
So what is this floor?
Big one.
This is first floor?
This
Oh
is-
no, we are in first floor. Loss prevention? Huh? Yeah. Let's go. Somebody is just running out of the store without paying. And they caught. Okay. We don't want to show any faces. There are two girls who were caught.
What are you doing?
Lost prevention. So they got the message. Somebody was walking up and they ran.
They look like customers though, huh? The loss prevention.
Yeah, but that is the trick,
Yeah.
you see. They are detectives, right?
Undercover.
Undercover, yeah.
That's good.
You were also running behind me. Oh, there is Starbucks. There's a line.
As always.
Of course. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. While my boys are waiting to get Starbucks, I thought I'll look at the clothes they have. Oh, this looks nice. What is that drink?
Yeah, I don't remember. Not on top of my head.
What did Dad get?
Caramel River Punch with heavy caramel drizzle.
Okay.
Iced caramel macchiato upside down with vanilla cold foam and heavy caramel drizzle.
Thank you.
We are entering Macy's with Gloria's Platter.
Hello. So what are you planning to buy from Macy's?
Whatever that I could get. On good deal.
Good deals. 75 and under? How much are you planning on spending?
50.
$50. For me?
What do you want?
No, I'm just kidding.
It smells good.
Is this where you got the sunglasses for me?
No.
From my
I was
birthday?
at Sunglass Hut, yeah, but not from here.
Oh, not this particular one?
No, from online.
%30 off. $49.99. 30% off. Oh, that's a nice color. Yeah. That's so cute. Does it fit your budget?
110.
Ooh. Hello, buddy. Going on here. 20% off. Extra 30% off. Oh, so another extra 30% off later, right?
But I have so many Tommies
Yeah, so why did you look for Tommy's?
in the budget.
$60 this one.
What's a 40? Huh? That's a t-shirt.
That could be kids.
40.
Or these are kids, right? Not today. We'll try another one. Who's that?
Where's the-
Let's find him.
Is he in rough? Oh, he's good.
There he is. We left him there, right? Okay, we're entering See's Candies.
Welcome in, everyone. Welcome. Hello.
Hello. Is it okay to record?
That'll be fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh. I want to eat them all. So we are thinking of getting this assorted chocolate box. This is what it has. It will be gone.
In one day.
One day, no. Seriously? Oh, this is good for Teacher Appreciation
So they
Day
have
as
teacher
well.
view.
Oh, look at this. I need to get a few of these.
Welcome in, everyone. Welcome. Hi, how are you? You guys like a sample? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I have milk almonds, dark almonds, peanut nougat, double caramel.
Can I record that too?
Oh yeah. So which one would you like, milk or dark?
Milk, please.
Okay. And I always love milk almond
Thank you.
in your paw. For you, sir?
Milk almond, please.
Milk almond for you, sir?
Thank you.
It's free.
Perfecto.
Thank you.
And my name's Alexandria. Let me know how I can
Would you like
help.
to be on the video?
It doesn't matter. I
Thank
pretty
you,
much.
Alexandria.
You're very
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you so much.
We're at the Lakewood Center Mall today.
Thank you for coming to Gloria's Platter. This is the end of the video, and as you can see, we are munching our free chocolates that we got from
See's Candy.
See's Candies.
And the worker was super friendly.
Very friendly. You should visit this mall. We had so much fun. Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.